Hello everyone, this is James with Lews Auto Service and Salvage in Thornburg, Virginia. Today we have UU266. This is a 2012 Ford Fiesta. Got the 1.6 liter engine, automatic trans, and 122,000 miles, well, I'm sorry, 22,000 miles. So it's 122022 on the mileage there. This is a flood vehicle that came to us. There's no start. It seems like there's a security going on also. That's causing the parking lights to flash. There goes that. We'll just show you that. So no start on the engine. It's definitely got something going on with a module. But as you can see, I mean, water came up to here and farther. You can see it all up on the windshield and everything. So this was down deep in that water, it seems. Not going to inventory the engine. That's obviously hydrolocked. We're going to go ahead and check out the transmission and see if we can get anything out of it. With the transmission being a closed system, we believe that it hasn't been damaged, but of course we like to take a good look and do a good test on it before we say yes, this is a good trans. So you guys might see the trans in inventory, but we will test before it gets to you guys. As you can see, there is crap just all along the roof here. It's I think it was pretty much a total flood, like up to the rooftop, which is always scary when you get water this high, because I mean that's like 5 feet off the ground there. So we're gonna get in, we're gonna mess around with some of the stuff we have in here. I'm not gonna be able to mess around with everything. First off, we got your manual windows. The door panel's broken, so we got manual windows to it. We do have the power mirrors. I'm going to turn that on. I'll show you what the wiper is doing also when you apply power. So that's my wipers, and there is no offsetting that I can find on this thing. So sorry about the wipers going, but we'll go ahead and test out this meter. Oh, just went off. Looks like all that works just fine. Display screen is working. It's actually going back to its manufacture date, which is kind of odd. Yeah, this was made in 11/11. This is 10/30/2011, so pretty wild stuff there. We're gonna see if we can get radio to play. Hey, look at that, radio plays. All right, I'm gonna turn it up a little bit. We'll go through some stations.
When Patriots watch.
Cool. So it looks like that all works just fine. It does come with Sirius XM also. Oh, they do have that. That's interesting. So Sirius XM works also. We're gonna come on over here to the heater AC control so we can get that to turn on a little bit. Well, getting no lights out of this, so I'm going to go with the controls themselves are bad. So we're not going to do the heater AC control, not going to do the engine. Like I said, manual windows on it, so nothing really to test there. Yes, see that, it's got all the way up here to the sun visors and everything. Yeah, this thing was completely in the water. So, but all in all, still a decent vehicle. A couple parts we cannot sell, and we know that we'll take care of those things, but still mileage is pretty good. 122,022. I got some good body shops, or good body parts, good mirrors, good radio, bad heater AC control, bad engine. Like I said, we'll test the transmission. You guys have any questions, please call down to Lews. We'll be happy to help you out. Again, this is UU266. Thank you and God bless.